Hi, I'm Marna, and our Walmart has not had toys on clearance since all this started in March. And yesterday I walked in and look at this. So this is what ended up in my cart. Believe me, I wanted more. Believe me, that's my dog playing with a new toy. She's really cute, and I'm not going to take it from her because she's happy. This is what ended in my cart. They did have Baby Alives. They had the expensive Baby Alives. I did not buy one. I have enough Baby Alives. Oh, I have enough dolls. But these I could not resist. I have been looking at this one because I think it's hilarious. I'm always talking about the environment and, use what you can and try to keep things out of the landfills. So when I saw her, and we used to have these when we lived out all the time, we had bees there. And her shirt says, "Save the bees, plant more trees, clean the seas." And her little bag that she's picking up trash says, "Reuse, reduce, recycle." I really do like this. I had looked at her when she was full price. When she was $5, her clothes are worth more than that. Shoot, her boots are probably worth that. Can you see her little boots in there? Really, really cute. And then this one I had been looking at, I don't know, she's just cute. So when they were $5 each, they found their way into my cart, and Darren's like, "Yeah, get them." They also had, now the only ones that I saw for the accessories for the My Life As were these two. Now this is one I had looked at for the dog because I'm getting ready to set up that sled dog scene. And then I thought this was really cute. Oh, how can you not love those little hair bands? Just so cute. And then they had these little glasses, one pair of sunglasses. They're kind of masculine, but you never know. I could get a boy doll. And then these cute little blue ones. They were worth it. I thought they were cute. I held myself back, and I only bought 2 Barbie outfits. This was 75 cents, and this was 50 cents. And that's all I bought. Believe me, wanted to fill the cart, but I don't need them, and I have to start cutting back. They had Trolls. Was this $2, I think? And then later, they had the plush, the same size for $1. And I had a bunch in my hand, and I put them back. I have a very large troll collection, and my focus is more the vintage trolls. Now, when this guy came out, this is my, I'll tell you the truth. In the 70s, I went out with a guy that did honestly look a lot like this. So when I saw it, I wanted it because this was what the most attractive guys were in our eyes. So when they were $2 each, I did not get just one. Okay, could I have gotten just one? Yeah, but you know, I might want to take one of these out of the box. And you know me, I hardly ever take a doll out of the box. And so if I have three, I might. Who knows? Anyway, that's what found their way into my cart. And the Walmart clearance aisles, it was like both sides in two different sections of the store. So if you're near a Walmart, you might want to go. Get ready for Christmas. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, have you noticed Walmart, has your Walmart been putting out toys on clearance? And have you gone in and seen this? Thanks for watching.